Good morning everybody. In this class we shall discuss about transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? A matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and column of a matrix is called its transpose. Suppose A be a matrix, then its transpose is represented as A dash or A dash. For example, A be a square matrix of order 2 whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A transpose is obtained by interchanging row to column. In place of first row, the elements are 1, 2. We write them in first column. In second row, the elements are 3, 4. We write them in second column. So this is the transpose of matrix A. Another example, suppose A be a matrix whose elements are 1, 2, 3. Elements are 1, 2, 3. That means A be a matrix of order 1 cross 3. There is 1 row and 3 column. Then its transpose A transpose is equal to 1, 2, 3 by interchanging row into column. Here the order of A transpose is 3 cross 1. It means if A be a matrix of order m cross n, then order of its transpose is n cross m. Suppose we write this as Bij, then Bij is equal to Aij for 1 less than equal to j less than equal to m and 1 less than equal to I less than equal to n. Next is properties of transpose. Suppose A transpose and B transpose. These two matrices are transpose of a matrix A and B. Then first one is A transpose is equal to A. This is the first property. Second one is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. इसका मतलब हम ऐड करके ट्रांसपोज निकालेंगे या ट्रांसपोज निकाल के ऐड करेंगे, दोनों का वैल्यू सेम रहेगा. सिमिलरली फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन, A माइनस बी ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A ट्रांसपोज माइनस B ट्रांसपोज. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन इज K into A transpose, where K is a scalar, is equal to K into A transpose. Last one is transpose of AB. A and B are any two matrix and multiplication of AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is called the reversal law. यहाँ वो रिवर्स हो रहा है. ए बी का ट्रांसपोज बी ट्रांसपोज ए ट्रांसपोज प्लस माइनस में सेम हो रहा है, लेकिन जब हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं ये रिवर्स हो रहा है. ए बाद में आ रहा है, बी फर्स्ट में आ रहा है, इसलिए इसको रिवर्सल लॉ भी बोलते हैं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज. दैट इज ए ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू ए. Suppose A be a matrix of m cross n, then order of A transpose is n cross m and order of A transpose is m cross n. It means matrix A and matrix A transpose has same order, means they are in same type. Now let element of A are in the form of Aij. Element of matrix A are in the form of Aij. Then element of matrix A transpose are in the form of Aji. Then element of A transpose are in the form of Aij. These two are equal, order same and element same. Therefore, A transpose transpose is equal to A. Similarly, we can prove other properties.